Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi. I start the chicken. I start.
Longest state by population.
By population, Uttar Pradesh.
Which fruit have their seed on outside?
Outside, strawberry.
Which fruit is found in bunch?
Grapes, banana, lychee.
How many bones does a baby have?
300.
Hottest continent in the world?
Test. Africa.
Coldest continent in the world?
Atlantic.
What is the shape of Indian map?
Triangular. Triangular.
Which are the vowels in the English alphabet?
Vowels. English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U.
How many zeros are there in 1000?
3.
How many letters are there in the English alphabet?
Letter. 26.
In which direction does the sun rise?
East.
Which animal is known as the sheep of desert?
Desert. Camel.
World largest snake name?
Green anaconda.
How many players are there in a cricket team?
Cricket team. 11.
What is the top color in a rainbow?
Red.
The largest democracy in the world?
Democracy. Bharat.
Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors?
Holi.
Which is the most spoken language in the world?
Mandarin.
Which two parts of the body continue to grow in your entire life?
Hairless.
What is the standard taste of the water?
Tasteless.
Which planet is known as the red planet?
Red planet. Mangal.
Which animal runs fastest in the world?
Cheetah.
World's oldest steam engine name?
Steam engine. Philippines.
When first train started in India?
Philippines.
When first train started in India?
1853 Bombay to Thane.
India's first railway steam engine name?
Steam engine name. Philippines.
Which bird has best eyesight?
Eagle.
Which vegetable keeps doctor away?
Doctor away. Vegetable. Broccoli, spinach.
Which fruit keep doctor away?
Apple. Apple.
Which day we celebrate Christmas Day?
Christmas Day. December 25 December.
World biggest ship name?
Biggest MS Symphony.
Who was actually the first man on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
World smallest bird name?
Smallest bird. Hummingbird.
Which only bird that can fly backward in the world?
Hummingbird.
Which animal has black stripes?
Black stripes. Zebra.
Which is Indian longest national highway name?
Highway. NH44.
Which bird cannot see in the day?
Owl.
In which Indian festival is celebrated victory of goodness on evil?
Dashera.
Which animal is used for riding?
Horse.
Which animal give us wool?
Yak. Sheep.
Which animal change his skin color?
His skin color. Chameleon. Octopus. Cuttlefish. Frog.
Which animal live in web?
Crab. Spider.
Which insect give us honey?
Honeybee.
World largest waterfall?
Waterfall. Angel Waterfall in Venezuela.
Which animal has 300 teeth?
Shark.
Which animal give us milk?
Milk. Cow. Buffalo. Goat. Camel.
Which animal has hard shell?
Hard shell. Snail. Tortoise.
Which is the most loyal animal?
Most loyal animal. Parrot. Dog. Cat.
Which animal live in den?
Dan. Lion.
Which animal has a pouch on its stomach?
Kangaroo.
World's biggest dam?
Biggest dam. Three gorgeous dam in China.
Which bird's egg is the largest egg in the world?
Largest egg. Ostrich.
Which animal has long neck?
Long neck. Giraffe.
World's grand bridge name?
Dang Yang Kushan Grand Bridge.
What planet is close to the sun?
Mercury.
Countries. How many countries in the world?
196.
World Earth Day.
World Earth Day. 22 April.
What is the brightest star in the solar system?
Brightest
Star.
star. Dog star.
What is the color of the sun?
Orange.
What is the color of ocean?
Ocean. Sea green.
Which is the brightest planet in solar system?
Venus.
How much water is on the earth?
72%.
What percentage of the earth's water is drinkable?
0.5%.
How many planets are in our solar system?
8.
What planet could we live on?
Earth.
Which animal has no nose, no eyes, no brain or no heart?
Jellyfish.
What animal has 32 brains, 10 stomach?
Leeches.
What is the color of a cockroach blood?
White.
What world largest desert name?
Desert. Sahara.
What animal has 9 hearts?
9 hearts. Octopus.
What is the color of an octopus blood?
Blue.
What is the color of an human blood?
Human blood. Red.
Which is the longest river in the world?
Longest river. Amazon.
Which river cross equator twice?
Congo River.
Which is the deepest river on the earth?
Congo River.
Where the first post office opened in India?
Kolkata.
In which city the first metro rail service was launched in India?
Kolkata.
First Indian woman pilot name.
Sarla Thakral.
Where is India's first nuclear center?
Tarapur.
What is the name of Indian missile?
Prithvi.
Who is India's first woman employer?
Rajia Sultan.
Which is the first submarine of India?
Submarine. INS Kaveri.
Who was the first Indian to travel in space?
Rakesh Sharma.
Who was the first Indian Nobel Award winner?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Which animal has hump on its back?
Camel.
Longest state by population?
Uttar Pradesh.
Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for?
Famous for loin.
Which is the most sensitive organ in our body?
Skin.
Who invented computer?
Charles Babbage.
Brain of computer?
CPU.
What country is the Statue of Unity?
India. Sardar Patel.
How many days in a week?
In a week 7.
How many days in a year?
365.
How many months in a year?
How many months in a year? 12.
How many continents in the world?
7.
Which is not safe for the environment?
Environment. Plastic.
Which is the largest ocean in the world?
Largest ocean. Pacific Ocean.
Who is the Chief Minister of Punjab?
Arminder Singh.
Who is the President of India?
President Ramnath Kovind.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
What is the national sentence of India?
Satyamev Jayate.
What is the national festivals of India?
Festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti.
Who is called Father of Nation?
Father of Nation Mahatma Gandhi.
Which is the largest water animal in the world?
Water animal. Blue whale.
What is our national aquatic animal?
Dolphin.
Which is the longest river in the world?
Longest river. Nile River.
What is the national information letter of India?
White letter.
Who is first citizen of India?
Ramnath Kovind.
What is the color of soil?
Brown.
What is the color of sky?
Blue.
What is the color of grass?
Green.
What is the color of lotus?
Pink.
Which are the primary colors?
Red, blue, green.
Which planet is called the blue planet?
Earth.
What is the national currency of India?
Indian rupees.
How many colors are there in our national flag?
3.
Name the capital of India.
New Delhi.
When do we celebrate Independence Day?
15 August.
Financial capital of India.
Mumbai.
Our national language.
Hindi.
How many union territory in India?
8.
What is the national song?
Vande Mataram.
Who wrote national song?
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Which is the largest bird in the world?
Bird. Ostrich.
What is a national anthem?
A theme. Janganama.
Who wrote national theme?
Rabindranath Tagore.
How many legs does an octopus have?
Octopus have 8.
From where do we get food?
Plant.
What is our national tree?
Banyan tree.
What is our national animal?
Tiger.
What is our national fruit?
Mango.
What is the vegetable of India?
Pumpkin.
What is our national flower?
Lotus.
What is the national emblem of India?
Lion capital of Shaka.
How many states in India?
State 28.
What are the another name of India?
Another name. Bharat Hindustan.
What is our national game?
Game. Hockey.
What do you call a house made of ice?
Igloo.
What is the national river of India?
Ganga.
Which is the largest land animal?
Land animal. Elephant.
Which animal is called king of jungle?
Lion.
Which Indian festival is known as festivals of lights?
Diwali.
Highest peak in India?
Kanchenjunga.
What is our national bird?
Peacock.
World largest active volcano?
Active volcano. Mauna Loa in America.
Which is transport can go underwater?
Underwater submarine.
Which is the largest island in the world?
Greenland.
How many bones are there in human body?
206.
How many colors are there in the rainbow?
7.
Name the color of the national flag.
3. Saffron, white, green. Saffron, white, green. Bye.